The powerful Clarke Ranger direct drive air compressors are perfect for workshop and DIY applications. They are ideal for spraying paint and other finishes, and are great for nailing, stapling, polishing, sanding and other garage uses. Unlike many compressors where the oil level must be checked daily, the Ranger 7260 and 7550 both benefit from an oil-free design, simplifying your daily maintenance. They featured twin pressure gauges, a regulator and automatic stop-start control, all to ensure that the air output can be controlled to meet your air tools needs. A thermal safety cutout is located at the top of the compressor. The 7260 and 7550's automatic stop-start control offers the user greater control for the job in hand, and also ensures that the motor only runs when it has to. This saves energy, prolongs the lifespan of the motor, and saves you money. The CE-certified 2 horsepower 1500 watt motor drives the 7.8 cubic foot per minute compressor to a maximum pressure of a whopping 8 bar. A wide range of air tool accessories are available from your local Clarke stockist. The 7260 features a 24-litre air receiver, and the 7550 has a 50-litre receiver, and both are protected by a fully automatic pressure switch. A condensate drain is located at the bottom of the tank, which should be drained daily. The Ranger compressors are supplied complete with wheels, a handle, air filter, regulator, receiver and output pressure gauges, and a safety valve. The Ranger's 7260 and 7550 direct drive oilless air compressors, the ideal compressor for workshop and DIY use.